guess it's similar every pre-season. When we start, we go through a nice battery of tests. They range from fitness tests, such as the 1K time trial, to some jump profiling, so we can see any asymmetries in there. So that's a nice relationship with the medical side then, so we collaborate there. They would go through quite a comprehensive medical screen as well. A little bit of the other testing would involve maybe the watt bike as well. So we get some nice baselines, a nice clear picture of where the players are starting compared to where they finish the season. And then obviously we do the skin fold and body weight test as well, just to get an idea of their body composition at the start. A big focus is always to get guys strong, but that it can transfer to the field. There's a lot of work there done at high velocity, so it's trying to shift the big weight as fast as they can. So there's always that intent to move things quickly, which mimics a lot of what they do on the pitch. Very little of what they do on the pitch, bar maybe the maul, is slow, static exertion. So that's what we're trying to develop. On the other hand, we do a lot of work where it's time under tension. So the eccentric portion, or the lowering of the weight, is done under nice control, maybe 3 to 4 seconds. So that should stimulate great strength gains and also a fair bit of lean mass gain in that as well. Rugby was a part of the programme from the very first day of pre-season this year, whereas last year there was a week and a half where we focused predominantly on strength and conditioning development. That comes from the fact that we're in a better conditioned state already starting this pre-season, and I think because of that we can afford to get into the rugby a lot sooner. And again, we have to be mindful of, it's not all about just getting fit. I think there's a misconception that pre-season is up to the fitness coaches to do whatever they want to do, flog the guys endlessly. But so much of this and pre-season it's just about getting guys as well prepared for the season as possible. So that can't mean exclusively fitness or exclusively strength or size. But Emma, our nutritionist, she's an extremely busy job in pre-season, ensuring that everyone's fueled appropriately. Similarly, the rugby coaches, the rugby department are so busy at the moment as well. When you're doing maybe 7 pitch sessions in a week, you have to be so organised going into those with great detail. And then the analysts, you know, again, they're having to record 2 sessions a day, 3 days a week. So it's an extremely important time to get things right for the season. I think what we saw last year is we got things right in pre-season, and that's why I think inevitably we did perform pretty well throughout the season. So we know it's important that when we get to that first week of September, everyone is synced in making sure that everything's gone as well as possible, that we've used the time as well as possible to give us potentially a head start on other teams.